Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Guardian Angel Sports Club defeated Club de Salgaocar to enter into the next round of 20th edition of Goa Police Cup 2026. They won the match 5 goals to 4 via the tiebreaker. The match was played at Rosary Church Ground, Nevalim on Thursday. Both teams played attacking soccer and got equal opportunities but failed to break the deadlock till the final whistle. In the resultant tiebreaker, Guardian Angel netted through Feza Gomes, Moises Disa, Fedrich Fernandes, James Fernandes and Fulgencio Cardozo. Club de Salgaocar scored through Felixson Connie Fernandes, Salvador Gama, Thokchom Beckham Singh and Daniel Rebello found the net. Moises Disa of Guardian Angel was awarded Player of the Match by Savio Medra, ex-international footballer, in the presence of Antonio Pango, GFA Vice President, and Angelo Politan Fernandes, Match Commissioner.
Guardian Angel and CD Salgaocar bowlers draw आणि टायब्रेकर Guardian Angel जिंकले. So मुगे message after game चोयल म्हटली. The total game time आज हेळे थे 97 minutes, but the ball in play was 47 minutes. That means 50 minutes the ball was out of play. So आमचो football तो रोहित चोटलो जाल्यार I think we have to look something where the ball should be more in play rather than out of play. So हे सांगून I hope the other teams दुसऱ्यो टिमी चड बॉल दवरपाक ग्राउंडाचेर आमगे फुटबॉल डेवलप जावपाक.